The spotlight often shines on the games themselves, but behind every great game there's a powerful engine driving it. Today we're diving into Unity Technologies, the company quietly powering nearly half of all video games worldwide. Founded in 2004 by David Helgason, Joachim Ante and Nicholas Francis in Copenhagen, Unity Technologies set out to democratize game development by providing tools that were both accessible and powerful. Over the years, Unity has become one of the most widely used game engines in the world, known for its versatility and ease of use. Unity's engine allows developers to create real-time, two-dimensional, three-dimensional virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. Its cross-platform capabilities mean that games built with Unity can run on nearly every device, from consoles and PCs to smartphones and VR headsets. This flexibility has made Unity the go-to choice for indie developers and major studios alike. Interview with John Riccitiello, Unity CEO. Our mission at Unity is to provide the tools and technology that empower creators to bring their imaginations to life, no matter where they are in the world. Whether it's a small indie team or a large AAA studio, Unity levels the playing field. Unity isn't just about gaming. The technology has applications in a wide range of industries, including automotive, architecture, film, and education. Its real-time rendering capabilities are being used to create everything from realistic car simulations to virtual classrooms, showcasing Unity's potential far beyond traditional gaming. Testimonial from a developer. Unity has been a game changer for our team. The ability to rapidly prototype and deploy on multiple platforms has saved us time and money, and the support from Unity's community and resources is invaluable. Unity operates on a subscription-based model where developers pay for different tiers of service based on their needs, from free licenses for smaller developers to pro and enterprise tiers for more advanced users. Additionally, Unity generates revenue through its ads platform, which allows game developers to monetize their games with in-app advertisements. Unity also offers a range of professional services, such as training and enterprise solutions, further diversifying its income streams. As the gaming industry continues to grow, Unity Technologies is at the forefront, providing the tools that bring some of our favorite virtual worlds to life. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, or just a tech enthusiast, Unity's impact on the digital landscape is undeniable. Subscribe for more stories about the tech shaping our future.